In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a scallop stitch. Every single Wednesday, I show you how to use your sewing machine and simple sewing tips and tricks. For this scallop stitch, I have selected stitch 40. We do need foot N. And just so you know, you can invert these stitches right here. You can mirror it, so you can have it go in the other direction. Let me show you by pressing this button here. So it changes the direction of the stitch. I'm going to leave it exactly how it was. I also have this cool variegated thread in my reel. I just wanted to see what these scallop stitches is going to look like. It changes colour over time. It's pretty cool. I have used a stabiliser on my fabric, a spray starch. So it's just given it a little bit of a firmer finish to my fabric. So when I put these stitches through, it's not going to pucker. On these decorative stitches, I will also use like a tearaway stabiliser. Let's do it on both examples just to see what it ends up looking like. So this is just spray starch only, and I'll run the stitch through. So don't do it right on the edge of the fabric. Come a little bit of a way in. Always test on a scrap piece before you do it on any handkerchief or your final product. Just make a test run. So I'm going to start the scallops here, and I'm going to keep it on a medium setting, and I'm going to let these scallops run through. And don't forget, on your machine you will have a button that you press to make sure you get one complete scallop. So I'm just going to stop here, and I'm going to press that button so we make sure we get one complete decorative stitch. Now the button you're going to press is this button here. There's like one heart and then two. So if you look here, this is it's going to continue stitching over and over again. So I'm going to press this button, and now it's going to finish this one scallop, and it's going to stop right at the end, so it takes the guesswork out for you. So I'm going to press my accelerator down. You're going to see it stop. And there you go, that is the end of the scallop. So this is what the scallop looks like. So we obviously want to cut right at the bottom here to create the finished look. So let's get our nice pair of sharp scissors and just start cutting along the bottom there, but don't cut into the stitches. So I won't complete this all on camera, and then I will just finish up myself and come back and show you what this looks like. So this is what that scallop stitch looks like with no tearaway stabiliser, just a spray stabiliser. I'm going to try it now to see what it's like with a tearaway. So I've everything all set up. I have my tearaway underneath there. I'm going to see if it makes any difference. Have it going here. Keep it at a steady speed so you can try and keep it in a straight line. And I have that variegated thread still in my machine. Now I'm just going to press that button again just to catch that last scallop. Oh, that was perfect timing. And I'm just going to start cutting away, and I'll let you see when I'm done. The tearaway didn't have any difference on how the overall effect looks. However, it did help when you were cutting around the scallops. It helped to keep the fabric a lot more firmer as you cut around those scallops. I hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing me next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.